Hey everyone, what's going on? Joey here, and it's a rainy day here in the Wildwoods, but I wanted to give you guys an update on Adventure Pier, and so that's currently where we're at. We're at Spencer Avenue and the boardwalk. I'm gonna give you a quick little tour and a little drone video before we get started. Make sure you subscribe, you turn on notifications, and you give this video a thumbs up. And a special thank you out to my patrons on patreon.com. It's because of them I can make fun videos in the rain. If you too want to support my channel and have your name at the end of the video, all you have to do is click the links in the description below. Anyway, let's get started. Since our last update, Kohrs Piers is well underway into reconstructing the entire front of Adventure Pier. As you know, boat tag was sold, and believe in me, I actually found out where it's going. I will do an article for you guys later on. It's pretty cool, but I think the guy wants to wait until the permits are in place and everything gets put together. So don't worry, I know where it is, and it's staying in PA. I'll just give you that as a hint, okay? So stay with me on that. So as you know, boat tag is gone, and then not too long ago, they ripped down Kohrs Brothers right over here on the left-hand side. A lot of people are like, oh my gosh, does that mean they're not coming back? They are, don't worry. The master plan shows they are coming back. Remember, they're building containers along this entire way. These two are going as well. Right now, it's kind of helping them out by keeping people out. But at this very second, they're reconstructing the entire side of the boardwalk over here because those containers are heavy, which means they got to fix the supports, put new boards on top, and then they can bring in the containers. The beautiful thing is with these containers are they can manufacture them off island and then bring them up and just kind of crane them into place. Of course, we don't have a date when that's going to happen, though we're told it will be ready, by the time this pier is open for this season. Our walking tour video is going to start over here on the left-hand side. On the beach, these are still pieces of the boat tag. So it's still sitting here. As I said before, we still have a couple pieces on the boardwalk. Just gonna pan back just a little bit for you so you can see how much space boat tag took up. Yeah, that is a lot of space. You can still see other parts of boat tag sitting back over here in front of Aloha. You can see a dumpster down here because they're replacing some of the wood. Some sections that maybe have been dry rotted or just need to be replaced. They're ripping out, and then of course they're throwing the old pieces in this dumpster. But we're going to continue our walk down. I'm actually going to stand up here so that you can take a look. Yeah, it's a lot of space. So now, the art box, I don't believe is going to exist as the art box. I believe those are also going to be food establishments. It's going to be a mix of like local places, and I believe Kohrs is bringing in curly fries to be in the one spot over here. I don't know if we're going to get a Joe's, because a lot of people are like, oh, we didn't get a Joe's over here or Jumbo's. I have no idea at this time. Here's another angle where boat tag used to be. Once again, a lot of space. You just don't realize it. Going all the way back. And really not too much to see if you go straight down the pier. You got this kind of blocking the way. And this is looking down the side where the Kohrs Brothers used to be. You'd see this was a big building. And they had to rebuild the bottom from scratch, it looks like. Here's another really good angle. You can see what they had to do. They pretty much rebuilt it from scratch. Looks like there's a block underneath of here, maybe some kind of electrical unit. Building out this way. You see they're still cutting, still a lot of work to go. The rain and the wind is starting to pick up just a little bit, but we should be able to get the drone in the sky. So let's get it's actually seagull. Let's get the seagull into the sky. So there you guys go. I know it's a little bit rainy, but it's not too crazy, so you were still able to see everything. But it's coming together extremely nicely. You didn't realize how much space that the Kohrs Brothers and or boat tag was taking up until you were able to get that drone in the sky. But anyway, I gotta go because it is really starting to rain. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. And as always, I'll see you on the beach, which is not really a beach day, but oh, I'm missing beach days. I'll see you later. Bye.